So this week guys, it's all about the reps. I'm going to show you 6 different exercises you can do to build a bigger and stronger back. First we're going to start off with the pull down. I'm doing a reverse grip pull down because it's easier on my elbow and I find it hits the lats a lot better. Also I'm finding other bodybuilders are saying this is a better way to hit your lats to build a stronger and bigger back. But if you don't find the reverse grip comfortable, you can do a wide grip, you can use a different bar. But we're just doing an overhead pull down. That's the main thing. Just find the grip that works for you and the one that gives you the best results. So we're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps. On the final set, we might even push it to failure. Next, we're going to go on to the single arm row. Now we've got to thank Mike Thurston for this one because he did this in his last video and I absolutely love this exercise. I actually forgot about this one, but anyway, we're back on it. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can keep your wrist still and pull it straight in or add a little twist. I think adding that little twist just makes it a little bit more comfortable. Now normally on the road to waist, I will pull it a lot lower, but due to the biomechanics, I don't want to do that. It'll make me very twisted and uneven. So I'm just trying to pull it straight to my midline. Another reason why this is such a great exercise is because you're working your back with a single arm. Most back exercises will involve both arms. A single arm back exercise is needed for that great definition and getting that great shape. So we're aiming for 3 sets of 15 and on that final set you can go to failure. Next we have the chest supported rows. Now I love the row to waist exercise, the row to chest exercise, just the row exercise in itself. Now I normally do this with my head supported on a bench. I've done that video on how to build a bigger back with different exercises. I'll leave the link at the end. Anyway, getting back to today's video, we're doing a chest supported row. What an absolute great exercise for building that bigger back. Supporting your chest just makes this so much easier, but still puts great emphasis on your back. It's one exercise you want to definitely be putting into your back routine. The row must be done. Now I've chosen a reverse grip handle. You can choose a standard grip. Whatever's comfortable for you, do it. Make sure you get in the sets, make sure you get in the reps, and it will be worth it. We're aiming for 3 sets of 15 to build that big back. On the final set, you can go to failure. Now we're going to the row to waist. One of my favorite exercises for targeting those lower lats. It's very hard to hit those lower lats, but I find this is the one. I'm rowing really deep down to my waist, practically near my groin, because I really want to target that lower back. I find this is one of the best exercises to do that. Now there is an option here, you can lean right forward to get a deeper stretch. Some people do that, some people don't, some people stay still, some people lean back. Do whatever's comfortable for you. I'm doing a little bit of staying still and leaning forward. When I'm a lot heavier, I do tend to let the weight pull me a little bit more in, but when I'm lighter, I'm a little bit more upright. So we're aiming for 3 sets of 15. Final set, again, you can go to failure. The 5th exercise to building a bigger back, the rope pull down. Now what a great exercise and what a great discovery. Unfortunately, I didn't discover this exercise, I learned it from another bodybuilder, but by God, I'm glad I did, because this is an absolute great exercise for building strength and a bigger back. Now what I love about this exercise is the position it puts you in. It stretches your back, it allows you to pull all the way through. It's an absolute great exercise to work your back in a total different way. It's one exercise you need to add to your routine, if not once a week, at least once every 2 weeks, and it will pay dividends, guys. I like the way you get to pull in nice and high and come down nice and deep. It's a great exercise, 3 sets of 15, and on that final set you can go to failure. Finally guys, we're going to just do a little bit of flexion exercise just to build some stability in our core and also build our lower back. Having a strong lower back will allow you to lift heavier and longer. So it's very important you do this at least once or twice a week just to keep your back nice and strong and also stable when you're lifting. So that's it for today's video guys. If you got value, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm also offering one-to-one coaching. If you're interested in that, the link's in the description. If not, leave me a comment. If you have any questions or need help with anything, put it in there and I will reply. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you on the next one.